Hello students, a very good morning to all the students. So students, we have already started our chapter 5, that is sources of water. We also come through different sources of water, and we come to know that rain is the main source of water on earth. So students, today we are going to start with the next topic, that is evaporation. So students, the meaning of evaporation is that the change of water to water vapor due to heating is called evaporation. So students, evaporation means the change of water into water vapor due to heating. So whenever we heat water, it will change into water vapors, and that is known as evaporation. So students, there are many factors that affect the process of evaporation. So students, evaporation will also depend on many factors. Okay, so that means evaporation will occur because of many factors. So we are going to understand them one by one. Factor affecting evaporation. Number 1, water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. So students, in number 1 it is said that water will evaporate faster, okay, when the weather is windy. That means when there is wind in the weather. Okay students, so now you see, take 2 saucers of the same size, like this here taken in the image. Take 2 saucers of the same size, pour an equal amount of water in them. So equally water is poured in it. Put 1 saucer under a fan and turn the fan on. So here 1 saucer is put under the fan and the fan is switched on. Do not put the other one under the fan. So here there is no fan. Put it in a place where there is no wind. Okay, so second saucer is put under the place where there is no fan or there is no wind. Take a look at the saucer after an hour. So students, you will have to take a look on these saucers after an hour. So what do you observe? You observe that there is less water in the saucer placed under the fan. So students, you will observe that there will be less water in the saucers that is placed under the fan. Okay, this means that more water has been evaporated. So this means that more water has been evaporated from the saucers placed under the fan. Okay students, so the saucer that is placed under the fan will evaporate more amount of water because it is under the fan. Thus it proves that water evaporates faster when the weather is windy. So it is clear that water will evaporate faster when the weather is windy. So number 2, you see, water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. So students, water will also evaporate faster when the temperature is very high. So this is very easy. I hope all of you know this. Take the same amount of water in 2 saucers of the same size. So here you can see in the image, this one and this saucers is taken. Keep 1 saucer in the sun and the other in the shade. So this is under the sun and this is in the shade. After an hour, you find that there is less water in the saucer that is in the sun. So you will find less water in this saucer that is under the sun. This shows that more water has been evaporated. This shows that more water has been evaporated from the saucer that is placed under the sun. So it proves that water evaporates faster when the temperature is high. So here is the sun, so the temperature will be high, and so the water is evaporating faster than in the saucer that is placed in the shade. Okay students. So number 3, you see, evaporation is faster when the air is dry. So students, when the air is dry, evaporation will be faster. You must have noticed that clothes dry faster on a hot, dry day than on a cloudy day. So students, I hope you have noticed that clothes will dry faster on a hot, dry day than on the cloudy day. So, do you know why? Because on dry day what happens? Air has the least moisture in it. So students, in dry day, the air will have a very least moisture in it. Moisture means water vapor. Okay. So what happens when there is a dry day? There will be less moisture in the air. So it can take in more moisture from the cloth. So when there is less moisture in the air, then it can take more moisture from the cloth. So in cloudy day, what happen? Air has more moisture in it. Okay, so it can absorb very little water from the wet cloth. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. So on cloudy day, air has more moisture, so it will take very less moisture from the wet cloth. Okay students, so number 4, you see, water evaporates faster when the exposed surface is large. So students, when the exposed surface is large, the water will evaporate faster. So take 2 handkerchiefs of the same size and same fabric. Okay, so you have to take 2 handkerchiefs of the same size and of same fabric. That means same cloth. Okay, fold 1 handkerchief in half or twice. So you have to take 2 handkerchiefs like this, and one you have to fold. Okay, and one you have to keep it like that. Put this handkerchief on the table. So you can put this handkerchief on the table. After some time, you find that the handkerchief that was not folded is dry and the one that is folded is still wet. So students, you will find that the handkerchief that is not folded will be dry and the handkerchief that is folded will not be dry, or it will be still wet. Okay, this proves that water evaporates faster when the exposed surface area is large. So students, here it will expose more and this will expose less because it is fold. So it proves that water evaporates faster when the exposed surface area is large. Okay students, so I hope it is clear to you. So if any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a good day.